Welcome to 2021 annual Southwell Ploughing match and show. Hope you enjoy Farmer Brown Gaming's look at the show this year.
Right, so here's FBG again. Right, so where do we start with this lineup? Beginning? Right, let's go. First one, here. Yeah, I just bought myself a JCB. You'd laugh at yourself, wouldn't you? Yeah. Who will forget that the arm was an extra. It never was here. Okay? So there you go, everyone thinks, yeah, JCB. Right, that's it, was a box on wheels. Literally. Right, second one. Let's have a look. This one. Yeah, probably this one. So now we've got a bucket. Okay. It's hard to put them in order. I think that is first, second. Third from that. Obviously it went to the real colour. So here. Yeah. And then, of course, let me look. This one. Okay. Yeah, so the red literally disappeared. Right. I got rid of the red altogether. 60 years there. So we'll get to him last because he's the newest. Then, yeah, right, good. It's just made. I mean, look. Do you know what? I'm gonna say it. I am surrounded by millionaires. Pretty much. I mean, they might not be human millionaires, but they're millionaires, aren't they? Let's be honest. You know? So, and then 60-year special one. There we go. I think it's 1963. That was before I was born. So that's 50. I'm not 50 yet. A great British product. You can't often say that anymore. You can't often say that anymore, can you? Great British product. Made in Taiwan or somewhere, isn't it? Anyway, that's that. I'm gonna go now.
Thanks for watching Farmer Brown Gaming's production, and a big thank you to everyone who had anything to do with the show. We all had a great time.